Hey, chat. What's going on out there? Just letting the DGen fam know that I'm streaming. Yo, Martman, Anthony, Dan, this is pre-recorded. Yeah, this is totally pre-recorded, bro. Even that response, we pre-recorded everything. Robin, Isaac, Tony Gold, Mr. Bugs. I don't know. I mean, I want to trade, but I don't know. K9, Sean, Armando. Dan. I wish I was around the trade a lot more than I did, but I had to take my son to his drum lessons, and it was a 5 to 7 thing. So while I was out, I had my other son, and we went to the gym, worked out, and then drove back to pick him up. And it's on the other side of town. It's where we used to live. So a lot of driving, a lot of time in the car. So I didn't get to trade. I did trade one account. That's all I did. And I missed out on some fucking real nice opportunities. But what are you going to do? What are you going to do, huh? What are you going to do? So we'll see what we could do for the stream. I'm just logging into some accounts here. Did some good things yesterday. Also fucked up a bunch of accounts too, but whatever. Let's not talk about that. Accounts that were all green. Whoops. All green. All I had to do was just stop. So I did that today. Like a big boy. Bacon. Kahuna. Keegan Murphy. Bacon. Teriyaki boys. Need some recommendations. Guys, if we're going to go live on Trade Iffy and probably My Fund the Future. Need some other firms to trade now. Well, you got the regular ones. Bacon said a bunch. Take Profit Trader. My Fund the Futures. Well, I think you're talking about going live there. Trade Day. You got any Trade Day accounts? Trade Day. You could try. You ever hear that firm, Fast Track Trading? Real promising. Slick Rick, the ruler. No trade day ever? Are you against them or you just never tried them? I think trade day is the fucking shit, bro. Got this other firm, Profit Raid, Thrive. Oh, there's this this fucking real hot one from the Forex space. Funding Ticks. You ever try that one? Oh, you never tried trade? Oh, dude, get a trade day account, bro. They just like Take Profit Trader. But you have the choice. You if you want to trade end of day trailing, if you buy the eval with end of day trailing, your funded account will be end of day. And if you've never had an account, your first account is 50% off with the best fucking code 0DayJ. Other than that, it's 40% off a no activation fee. No activation fee no matter what. 40% off, no activation fee. You could be all in with a funded trade day account for as little. I think the first account would be $65 on an intraday trailing, But normally, the normal price is 75 for intraday trailing. They're good. Daily payout, literally the same as Take Profit Trader. Daily payouts, day one payout potential. The only difference is if you go live with them, you're only going to have one account, but you could have as many as 3 funded, sim funded accounts. Clinvale, what's up? Lucid Flex all day. I trade with Flex, so I wouldn't recommend something I don't trade with. Right? I don't have a problem with. I think Black they're not bad. They're more for people like. They make it like very attractive. You could get paid in as little as 3 days. You got to run that shit the fuck up to do that. Yeah, Trade Day pays with Rise. Also, Isaac with them, if you have, I'm guessing you already have a Rise account, right? Use whatever email address you use for Rise to create your Trade Day account. It's got to be the same, or vice versa. If you don't have a Rise account yet, this is for everybody else. I'm pretty sure you have a Rise account. You trade with My Fund the Futures. So if you don't have a Rise account yet with Trade Day, and you already have a Trade Day account, make sure the email address you use for your Rise account is the same as the Trade Day account. They have to be the same, or else you have to get another account. That's a fucking nightmare. White Trash Granny. Yeah, they'll put you in live after $5,000 in profit, which is whatever. That's fine. Tony Gold. All right, cool. There you go. TJP, what up? Yeah, the issue with Take Profit Trader, I mean, you get payouts with Apex, right? The issue with Take Profit Trader is, I didn't even turn my screen sharing on. My bad. Hold on a sec. Did I? No, I didn't. The issue with Take Profit Trader is this intraday trailing. And I think a lot of us get enamored with the whole idea of getting that day one payout, myself included. I used to really push for that shit. I don't anymore. I've done it before. Now I just try to grow them like Apex accounts. And you only get $2,000 a drawdown with intraday trailing, which is, it's doable. Obviously, I've gotten plenty of payouts with Take Profit Trader. But with Trade Day, you could get end of day trailing. So it could be just like a Lucid account. It could be just like My Fund the Futures. You don't have to have intraday. You just got to pay a little more. That's all. And it's not even that much more. 5 days to pass, 30% consistency rule on evals only. No consistency on any on funded accounts. All right, chat? Thanks, chat. Use the best fucking code. Anybody else that want to try them, use the best code 0DayJ. My code is free to use for unlimited uses. All right. So this is what I'm looking at. Here's gold. Let me draw a happy little Fibonacci here. Here's the high. Here's the low, the last low. We're at the set. We already rejected off the 707. Now, if I move this down a little bit, just a little bit. What the fuck? Why does it do that? There we go. No, that's not. No. Fucking stupid fuck. Whatever. Let's do it this way. If I move it down to this high, look, we rejected off the 786. But I think this is the appropriate spot. I just feel like that's the more appropriate spot and the more conservative spot. And I need to trade this account. But I'll show you what I did so far. This is all I did. This account right here. You see, guys, this account is on, what day am I? I think I'm on day 7. This is day 7. What up, Dumord? DBT, Pine Tree. Oh, that sucks, Isaac. My bad, bro. Oh, man, bro, that's impressive that you did. What'd you do? 22. You finished the month at 22,500. You did all that without having, the luxury of having multiple Apex accounts that you could get payouts on. That's fucking impressive, bro. Really impressive. TJP Stevie. Punisher, what up? What up, Eric K? I trade. They have Michael Silver on trade day? TJP, trading the fizz with gold is fucking awesome. So check this out. This account, I had a day where I did $1,190, 1189 and change. So I just rounded up to 1190, which meant I needed to grow this account to $3,966 and change. Well, we did that. We did that. We're good to go now. I'm on day 7. Obviously, I need one more day. How hard can it be? I will attempt to push it to 4,100 in profit on the last day. I will trade very small and very conservative, and then I'll be able to request. So the last day, I'll be requesting on this one on Wednesday, because this is Tuesday's session, and this will be my first payout of the month. So sounds good to me. Yeah, elevated live trade day is fucking great. Tony Gold, no problem, man. Yeah, Lucid Flex all day, bro. So let's get back to this. Let's get back to what we're looking at right now. The task at hand. It retested this shit. Is it going to drop lower? I don't fucking know. I don't know. I thought we were going to be hitting 5,000 tonight, man, the way this shit was looking. We're already in a... don't sleep on this either. Look, that's 100 fucking ticks. This little bit right here is 100 ticks. This shit is insane. I'm fucking pissed because it retested it. It had a lower high too, and then it dropped. I'm going to put my order here in case it wants to push. Sell for 554. GMAT, what up? Fibs are the shit, man. Yeah, Eric K. I mean, it's so basic. It's so basic, but it's so good. I mean, obviously, you guys don't need to just use. I just literally all I 160 ticks. I guess it's not coming to retest, but it's even better when you could use it with other shit that you look at. You look for some confluence, so you get some more confirmation in what you're looking at. Make you have more confidence in the position you want to take. It's too easy. Rank Gap, what up? Yeah, bro, just take your time, man. Fuck. 474, it's down 174 ticks. You see, guys, what's interesting right here, right in this spot, you see that wick right there? I wonder if I draw a fib there, because the fibs work on the really short time frames as well. Obviously not all the time, but if I draw here and here, do you think, what, did you see that? This is why fucking well charts, it pisses me off. I did not place the order down here. That happens to me a lot. I did not place it down here. I wanted to put it right here at the 786, but no, it puts it all the way fucking down here. Good thing it wasn't a time-sensitive fucking order I was trying to place. We'll see if it comes down there. We'll see if it comes down here, guys. And maybe it comes up here and touches the 786. After dropping, I mean, this shit fucking dropped. 485, what was that? 487. It dropped 200 ticks. You see, guys? Crank, what up? Sam, why are you going for colonoscopies, bro? Well, good luck with that. Good luck with that. Damn, we got 100 people on already? Damn. You know, my stream today, my power hour stream got up to 243 concurrents. It hasn't been up that high in a while. So thank you. If anyone was there, thank you so much. I feel like I've been getting suppressed. I don't know. People like watching other people. Amorphic T, what up? You had a stomach bacteria? Sounds like you had some parasites, bro. Did I ever do DGen Con, Eric K? No, not yet. I'm not even at 10,000 subscribers. And I'm really I don't even treat it like I'm at 9,000. I had a stretch of time for like 5 days where 2,000 fucking fake subscribers got injected into my account, and it wasn't me. So I really look at it like I have a little over 7,000. I trade. No, you didn't miss it, bro. It hasn't happened yet. It will happen soon. I definitely want to do it. But it's got to be the right time. I said when I hit 10,000 real subscribers, we're going to do it. Crank. Yo, facts. You get your pipes cleaned out by the market every day. Kahuna. I don't know who it is, Eric K. I had some weirdo fucking sending bots to my fucking streams and shit. It was weird. It was a weird stretch of time. But it didn't affect like the real. I used to sit over 300 people all the time, and now I'm in the 200s. I don't know why. I think the better I trade, the less people want to watch. It's weird, but it feels that way. Yeah, they're just gonna be looking up your cornhole, Crank. So I don't know what's gonna. Are we gonna go lower? Or are we gonna go higher? I would love for it to pop here. Drewski, what up? TJP, I don't know. I don't know and I don't care. Excuse me. I'm just glad they must have got bored or whatever, or they ran out of money. I don't fucking know. I'd like to keep it that way. Blackout News Network, what's up? Yeah, Eric K. Yeah, that shit. That shit's gonna happen too. It could have just been like they're scraping, but unless it was just bullshit traffic. You're calling out your 50-year birthday present to yourself? Fine. Yeah, it was definitely. Yeah, it was. It definitely. Get your pitchforks. I don't know. It was just more annoying than anything. Wanted to teach me a lesson in humidity. Weirdo shit. See, look, it's fucking popping. I mean, fuck, man. Like, even here right now, 280, we're up. We just went up 120-something ticks. This is wild. Like Mr. Rogers. You guys know about Tupac and Mr. Rogers hanging out together? You know about that? Let me show you.
You know, Pac, I spent my whole damn life telling folks to be kind, and I meant it. But some days, man, people are just straight up assholes.
I never thought I'd hear Mr. Rogers call somebody an asshole.
Well, even the nicest neighbor has to vent something.
What's up with yo? It's crazy, bro. They're like homies.
I had the ball.
Oh shit, it's still going.
Vince.
Oh man. No, that's not. Hey, that's real. That's not even that bad. There's one where he's like, Mr. Rogers, like my neighbor. They're smoking like a spliff and shit. It's fucking hysterical. It's so good. What up, Nate? Tommy Kane, bro. He was telling. Oh, there was a fucking funny ass joke. He told him a joke. Those are the best when he like tells him like some raunchy joke and Tupac's like, "You wild, Mr. Rogers." Fucking hilarious. Tick Daddy. Pine Tree. I can't trade minis now, bro. I can't. These candles are 100 ticks. I mean, I can, but no, I'm trading micro. I have to. What am I supposed to do? Like, watch this. Look at the range. I mean, look at the spread. Look, this I just froze it. I took a quick screenshot. 12 ticks, right? Seven ticks. 13 ticks. So you could literally go down. You could be down with 1 mini. You'll be down $130 as soon as you get in, and then it could drop 40 ticks on you in like a blink. Next thing you know, you're down 500. It's an easy way, especially with Apex. It's the easy way to violate the 30% rule, the 30% drawdown rule. I hate trading micros. I don't want to trade micros. I fucking hate it. As soon as gold goes back to its normal fucking range, like look at this range. Chat. Look at this range. 46.90, 48.82. That's almost 2,000 ticks. Look at this right here. 478, 48.47, 47.69. That's 800 ticks. This right here, this little spot right here, this right here used to be an entire day's range until gold pushed through 5,000. Ever since gold pushed through 5,000 and hit 5,600, not even 48 hours later, and then they dumped it because they had to, because the banks were going to get fucking killed between gold and silver. Ever since that happened, the range is fucking like you're getting a whole week's range in one day, every day. So every fucking candle is magnified. Every candle is 150 to 200 ticks. Every other candle, at least. This move right here, this little bullshit move right here, 490 something to fucking 190 something, 300 ticks. That's 300 ticks in this little bullshit right here. How do you trade minis with that? I'll do it with evals, but even then, I'm not doing full porting evals. I'm trading like 1 or 2 minis with apexes, and I was getting killed. I had to make the adjustment. What am I supposed to do? Look at the spread on fucking micros. 4 ticks. 4 ticks. It's like 4 to 8 ticks versus 10 to fucking 15. I had to. What am I supposed to do? Trade minis and fucking blow accounts left and right with this price action and the range, the spread on the fucking contracts? It pisses me off. I hate trading micros. I have to learn how to trade micros. It's different. Maximus, what up? What up, Sacco? Master Joe, what up? Yeah, I mean, I'm doing it. I just have to make the adjustment because I'm used to like catching a 40 tick move and being happy with that. The problem is it could go 40 or 50 ticks against you first or more before it works in your favor. And if you're in 1 mini, you're in trouble fucking right away. DCA LeConte, what up? Discord chat has me ready to trade crude. Fuck that. I'm good on crude. Yeah, I mean, Eric, I was scalping with minis. 1 to 2 minis every time. Until about a week ago. Until today. Or yesterday, last night. I started trading micros like on purpose. Not just to get a flip day in. Because it's just too fucking, it's too crazy. Especially with Apex, you don't want to violate the fucking 30% rule and have to trade longer. Craig, it seems like it was done on purpose, man. It seems like it's all by design. What up, Eddie? Oh, you want me to look at the Discord right now? Hold on a second. Well, hold on a second. What the fuck? I might have to use that one. Hold on a sec. 0 day jaw. I got fucking braces. What happened to my ears, bro? They're fucking huge. What is this? Coke on my? Is that like Coke on my face? What the fuck? Oh my god. 0 day jaw. Well, that's like me. That's me. That was me last night after blowing 8 funded Apex accounts. Oh god. Is that a video?
This is 0 day, no second chances. Feel the rush, own the streets. Let's drift into the night.
Oh my god, you guys are having too much fun with this shit. You guys are fucking crazy. I love it. Oh god. Black gold. Oh, the crude oil shit. Yeah. I can't use that. You know I can't use that one. Fibonacci. Oh, you guys are fucking funny. Oh my god. Here we go. Smash the like button. I'm telling you, if you guys are not in the best community on these prop firm streets, there's a reason why I call it the best community on the prop firm streets, because it is the best fucking community. Look at what's going on in there. Oh my god. It's the fucking best. It's free for now. It's better than most paid Discords, especially in the fucking prop firm space. Who wants to fucking pay to fucking watch somebody trade and they'll be like, oh, my bad. Sorry for the bad signal, but I did this much. I did this much in my personal account, though. Because I hedged it. Nothing comes close. Join the DGen treehouse where I brag about doing 31K in one day with my 20 PAs, my 2150Ks, and then when somebody asks me what number I'm up to, I block them. And then a week and a half to 2 weeks later, I'm talking about how I like the 250Ks a lot because you get more drawdown. That's why I passed 20 of them, because I blew the other 150Ks and never got a payout on them. Oh god. Who am I? Oh, never mind. We can't say. And then after I block you, I'll fucking talk to you with a burner account. I'll reply to your shit with a burner account. Oh god. And then I'll post on Twitter, because I like to play a game called Pot Meet Kettle. I'll post on Twitter about other people not showing their account numbers. Yo, Roger. Oh man. Mr. Rogers here. Pine Tree. That's what I hear. I haven't seen him in his third Ferrari, though. Never once. Oh, yeah. The 25Ks are great. The issue with the 25Ks is actually I haven't been able to get a payout on them. My best account size that I trade with is a 50K. I tried, and I'll keep trying. Or it could. Well, he's not the only one that blocked me. We also had the chosen one. The chosen one at Top Step fucking blocked me too, just for saying, hey, can you show us your account balance on your live account that you're saying you had 30 green days in a row with? I got blocked. After I was, instead of just focusing on the topic, said something about my education or lack of it. Q, what up? Hey, you're the fucking chosen one. You should be able to show your balance. It's not that serious. Or when I ask Lanto, if we're allowed, I said I noticed you had funded black accounts last night, and now you had 5 funded black accounts last night, and today you have five straight to funded accounts. Are we allowed to trade with 10 lucid accounts now? And he blocked me. Has 3 of these fuckers. Can't answer simple fucking questions. You see, guys? But he got called out by fucking that jerk off Sage, who I still don't like him, but I respect that he fucking called him out. That's where it started. And he felt like because of that, and maybe I had a little something to do with it, he felt compelled to make a video to explain away what happened. Which I don't believe a fucking word he said. Actually, after like 10 seconds, I turned it off. D-Gem, what up? He came out with a broker statement. What, like making fun of a broker statement? Like he did the check out my broker statement. He did one of those. Who are we talking about? Who aren't we talking about? I'll let the chat tell you. Hey, join the Discord. What up, AG Trader? Join the Discord and ask them, yo, Charles, what up? Oh yeah. Let me explain. Let me spleen. Look at that candle. That's what she said. Yo, so Pete, everybody's watching me, but not fucking giving me any fucking credit. Yo, DJ, can you post that in the Discord? I want to see it. Find that video. I want to see it. Pay homage, man. Pay fucking homage. Everybody's using my sayings, bro. Coach Doom. Just look at it. I can't even. Ugh, gross. Just look at it. Look at ill. This candle right here, 271. Oh, dude, this candle right here out of nowhere, 117 ticks, top to bottom. 1 minute candle. This is why it's scary. Oh, that's different with you guys, though. With you guys, look, I want the fucking people, the people with the channels and the fucking huge followings saying my shit to fucking give me some fucking credit. If you're going to say my shit, give me some fucking credit. That's all. Not asking for much. What's up, Manuel? Just say my fucking name. Yeah, can't give all. Yeah, he would never. You got a product recommendation? Everybody. Yeah, you would think because it happens all the time. It happens all the time. Hey, listen. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, so I'll take it as a compliment. Yo, you see that? You see, guys? What up, Justin? Right? Mwah! Retesting the 707. I might get filled here. I got to look at the bigger time frame. See, look at this. So here's the high, right? Here's the high. This is the fucking all-time high, right? This is the daily chart. I put the low here for my fib. And look, we came down and wicked below the 786 and bounced off of it on the daily. If I lower this a little bit more to this one, which could be more appropriate, we did it. We wicked below the 707 and the same shit happened. I mean, we could put, I still think, if I draw a fib from the low back to the high, right? Or the high to the low for a reversal, here's the all-time high. Here is that drop, that massive drop. The 618 is at 5163. Like, it could come back up here, and I believe it will. I'm 5,000 is very appropriate for what happened with gold. My broker statement. Oh, he was serious though. He wasn't making fun of people. Hey, listen, I don't like to drop names. I'll say it once. I don't like to say some certain people's names. You got to follow me on Twitter. I bring the heat on Twitter. Here's my Twitter. Hey, you want to follow me on X, aka Twitter? Here's my Twitter. Everybody in the chat can say it. I don't care. I don't want to say it. Fuck that guy. There's only one chosen one in the fucking Top Step too. AG, you got to know who I'm talking about. Their name is named after a fucking state. What's going on here? Oh, it retested this 707. Come on, bruh. Like, look at this little shit. 3 minutes, 484. 84 ticks in 3 minutes. That's not even that much. Steph. Yeah. Always going in and calling people simfluencers because they don't trade live. I can tell you one thing, trading fucking sim funded is much better than trading live. I've done both. Nah. Why would I say anything about that old guy? He doesn't walk around acting like his shit don't stink. That guy's always forever in a combine, though. But that's besides the point. So many hints. Did he? Hey, that wipes out all the other bad days. He never shows his account number either. None of them do. I feel like it's some company policy. Nah. Not that fucking clown. Coach HID, what's good? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Motherfucker, man. It couldn't just come up a little bit first and fill me. $484, $373, 111 ticks in 4 minutes or 5 minutes. You see, guys. Yo, Cube. Oh shit. $140. What the fuck? Yo, why does it only have a 4 review? That's crazy, bro. I can't wear this shit. This one looks real. This shit looks real. Oh man. Anyway, chat. Can I just get fucking filled here? I wanted a trade. I mean, I didn't see this bounce coming. But if I honestly, watch this. If I draw a fucking fib, watch this. Watch this, chat. It's such a small time frame, though. I didn't want to fuck with it. Watch this. You got this low here, and then you got this high here. And what did it happen? It just missed. It hit the 707. You see, guys? Too many, though. Oh, fuck. I just deleted something else. Oh, fuck. All right. Now I got to do this all over again. I got to do it all over again. This low. Wish I could fucking see. Jesus, man. And you got this here. You see, guys? You got this low and this high now. That should be interesting. I really want it to come up here, chat. I'm going to move this up a little higher. This isn't even in the right fucking place. Let me fix that. There we go. There we go. Now we got, where the fuck is this candle? Here we go. All right. We got any fucking tan lines I could draw here? Let's draw some fucking tan lines. Now we got some tan lines in the house. Training for keeps. What up? Which one? They're getting guilt? Hey, I don't feel bad. Willie C, what up? I wasn't invited to that conference, and I wouldn't have gone anyway. I don't have anything. I have nothing against PW. He doesn't like me. But he never shows his Apex account numbers. Never. It's not that big of a deal. All he has to say is, I've been traded with Apex for a really long time. That's why I have so many accounts. Yoshi, what up? It is amazing. Tan lines for the win. Eric K. I copy trade in groups, like within the firm. So, for example, like these 6, whatever I pass and activate together gets traded together. So 5, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, and 25, they're in a group together. I've already got 3 payouts on those accounts. 5, 38 was paired with something else and it got fucking separated somehow because of fucking stupid fuck me. 561 and 562 were in a group together. They were in a group of 3, but something happened with the other one. These take profit traders that I was trading on the stream. You saw me trading the take profit trader accounts. These are still fucking in here. You saw me, you were on my power hour stream. These 5 I trade together. These 5 I trade together. They're in a group called Fib fucking Tastic. These 3, oh, I forgot about these. These are on the verge of fucking being pushed over. I trade these together. And then these 5 Lucids, I trade them together. I never put them all in one place and we'll put a bunch together across different prop firms. I trade them together from within their instance or their fucking wherever they're hanging out. Yeah, Yoshi, I don't give a fuck. I have nothing to hide. I don't fucking care. I'm on all you have to say is I'm on a fucking journey because it's true. You know what else? You know what else is true? I did 79,000 in fucking December and January combined. You think I give a fuck what PA I'm up to? I don't know. Like, I know you're not saying anything about it, but like, I'll post on Twitter and be like, oh my God, Apex must love you. Like, shut the fuck up. They do love me, but not because of how many accounts I bought. They love me because I'm handsome. Is it better to have multiple prop firm accounts? Of course it is. But you gotta do what's best for what you feel is best for you. If you're not comfortable doing it, then don't. But you could multiply your earnings if you have if you have 5 take profit trader accounts and they're all over the buffer, and you trade them together. Even if you had 2, you push 2 of them up $1,000 in a day. You could request $1,000 across 2 accounts instead of just 1. It just really all depends on your trading style, your mental capacity to fucking deal with that shit. Can you stomach it? Can you stomach being red in multiple accounts at the same time? Or like, you don't even have to trade them together. I bounce from fucking firm to firm. Like, I just want to be done with well charts. I want to be done trading my well charts accounts, the 2 that I have left, so I can move on to my fucking trade of 8 shit. I don't want to trade on this fucking platform any more than I need to. So the sooner I get the fuck off of this shit, I can move on to the trade of 8 stuff where I'm much more comfortable trading. Emotional care. I don't care about that shit. I'm fucking positive with Apex. I'm profitable overall. I'm a profitable prop firm trader. And I'm very profitable with Apex now. I pushed over. I broke the glass ceiling. I paid off my tuition. I don't care how many it took. Some people do it a lot quicker than me. I love that for them. This was my path. I don't fucking uh-oh. We're breaking the tan line. We're breaking the tan line, chat. I'm just worried that it pops back out of it, pops back into it, you know? Apex thinks I'm handsome. Marcos, how hard can it be? AG traded. There's nothing wrong with tan line broken. There's nothing wrong with trading with one prop firm. You are limiting yourself to some degree, especially if they have rules where you can only take out X amount of dollars every day or every 5 days or every 2 weeks or whatever the rules are with that firm. If you have multiple accounts, you could kind of stack your payouts. Oh, Doom Lord, of course. Of course. Some people will never, it's just the way it is. I think everybody can. It's just, will they? You know? If I can, then anybody can. That's how I see it. This fucking tan line is broken. Let's see if I move it to this wick. It's still on it. I don't know. I still like it here. Yeah, it depends on the prop firm. I don't try to, anytime I try to get more and more and more, that's where I get into trouble. So You know, like this is not the best example. This is not the best example because I didn't need a lot. I'm on day 7 and I only needed to get to 39.67 to be eligible for a payout because of the 30% consistency rule. I didn't need much, but I like to go get like $300-400. Sometimes I'll get more. Like this account had a couple of days. This one day did 11.89, and then another day yesterday or Monday session, Sunday night, actually, I did like 900 or some shit, or 890, something like that. It just depends on how it plays out. Rebby, what's up? Jose, chilling. I'm trying to get filled in a position, but I'm not chasing this shit. You know, I'm just waiting. And that's why I got into some trouble last night as well. I wasn't waiting. But it was moving like it was moving insanely. I should have fucking just chilled out. Yeah. Sometimes like you get up, you get a decent fucking trade in. I'm trying to be done with one trade, especially when I have 20 funded Apex accounts. I still have to activate 8 of them that I had to replace. Perfect example. I blew fucking 8 funded Apex accounts yesterday, Sunday night, really. And they were all green. And it was when I was trying to get more. 4 of them were literally about $300 away from payouts. They were in a group together. You know what I'm saying? One of them was just a fuck up. And another group of 3 were just on like day 2 or 3. But, you know, every single one of them was green. And I tried to get more. And gold was fucking doing crazy, dumb shit. And I was tilting. So that didn't make it any better. I'm just trying like this. We've been, I mean, first of all, 483. We're in about 100 tick range right now. Oh, there it is. But look, it broke the tan line. I should have fucking went short, but I don't know. I wish I was better at that. I mean, I see it. I just don't always chase it because I'm always waiting for my fibs. But it basically, the 707 is holding on a larger time frame. Let me go to the 15. Watch. $707, $707, 3 touches, and it's still rejected. Crazy. We got a new hour coming. The next 15-minute candle could fucking push up, and we could go up here to the 786. So I'm just waiting. But I mean, this right here, 487 to 363. That's 120 ticks. Now, if I draw a tan line here, watch this. There's room to go lower if I use this right here. If I forget about this one here, and I just go by this one, it depends on the time frame. You know what I mean? Like, let me draw the 5. Let me go to the 5. Here's on the 5. You see, guys? I could have also done it like this. That's how I have it. This is how it's right now. Right here is how it's drawn right now on the 1-minute chart on wealth charts. And we broke it. So, you know, I just don't know. It's too close. We got new hour fuckery. We got a new hour that's about to pop off. It could drop more, obviously. We got the VWAP right down here at 817. Or we could just pop. We're just riding along this fucking thing. We could pop. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Right now, it looks like it wants to drop. And it very may well drop. But I have my order down here. We'll see what happens. I really wanted it to pop. I really wanted it to hit the 786. And then, oh man, look at that. Beautiful. And then drop. Clinval, yeah. I paid how much is your shit? $1,000? I paid $1,000 to draw lines. Look at that. Actually, I didn't pay $1,000. Imagine paying $1,000 just to learn how to do that. Rebby. You see, guys? Ew. If this gets on my laptop, I'm gonna be so upset.
Okay, move it out of the way.
Can of silkworms. I gotta open this for her, so she can feed Felix the
Don't come near me.
Felix the bearded dragon. No, I'm not gonna come near you. I don't want to do it on the desk. I'll be right back.
You know it's right.
Is it?
It might. Be careful. I hate the way it smells when I can't put it in the cat. Get it all the way off.
All the way?
All the way. Be careful the words that are flying.
Ew. Ew.
Okay. You got it?
Sharp. Look how much it dropped when it fell out of the tan line. 443 down to 310, 130 ticks out of the tan line. From the 707 retest for the third fucking time, it dropped from 484 to 309, 175 ticks. I don't know what the course is, Eric. I don't know how much it costs. Willie C. It got under the 10. What happens next? I don't know. For $500, upsell. Here's my upsell, which is what happens next after it gets under the tan line. $500 to make them holla. Was that a 707? I wasn't sure. It is fibbing around. There it is right there. Yeah, I drew this one. I drew this one with this being the low and this being the high. 707. I just don't trust it, especially with a new hour. I don't know. I'll just wait for it to come down here. I hope it does, and then I hope it bounces there. If it comes down there, it's just we're just in this fucking range. Basically, since I got on the stream, we've been in this little fucking range right here, which isn't that small. It's 486 to, it's 250 ticks, basically. Patrick, what's my entry criteria on the fib? I like the 707 and the 786. I don't fuck with the 618. I've seen the 618 get passed through so many times that it's not worth it for me. That'll be $1,000, please. You see, like I have an order up here. This is the 786. It's hard to see because I'm zoomed. I'm zoomed in. But from this low and this high, I have an order at the 786 right on it. Because I was hoping, on the third touch of the 707, I was hoping that on the third touch it would have pushed through, and then I would have got, hopefully get filled here. But now I don't know. I didn't get filled, so I just fucking wait. I don't chase. Now I got all these other fibs here, and there's a lot. I can see what's going on, but it's harder to see what's going on fucking well charts. I didn't get filled, and then I have an order down here. This order right here is a 786 from, I'll show you. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this order right here is this high, this low, and this high right here. If it were to come back down, I would love for it to come back down here. We're just cucking in this range. We can't get over this level. We might break through. I guess you could say it's flagging, maybe. I just look for highs and lows. Here's the last low. Here's the last high. I do it on longer time frames and shorter time frames and longer time frames. And then I'll expand them. If it blows through a level or I'm not feeling where like this is even this right here is an appropriate one. We just bounced off the 707 with this being the low and this being the high. We retraced back to the 707 and bounced how many ticks? 301. We bounced 140 ticks. But I wasn't feeling that one, so I didn't put an order there. The next thing I would do was go to the next low, which is this one. This is an expanded fib, and I'm basing it on that, not on this last. This is only what, a half hour. I don't know. I didn't trust it, so I didn't want to fucking do it. But you know what? If I would have had it there, I would have been good. I'd be green as fuck right now. TJP, without a doubt, you don't find yourself jumping into fucking trades and getting blown with the wind, with every fucking alternating candle when you're not tilting, right? It helps keep you from tilting too, but sometimes just shit happens. Shit happens. I look at the fibs, they're very subjective and they're very fluid. There's no perfect spot for a fib. It's just based on what you see on the chart. Big Mike, yeah. Blackout News Network. How hard can it be? Do I buy, sell at those levels? I trust in the fib so much. I just put an order there. I have my order up here. I'm waiting. And if it blows through it, that's what stops are for. I'll put a stop in and not fucking let it get out of control. You know, that's all about risk management. You know, protecting the bag. That's a big part of it. That's a big part of trading in general, no matter what you look for. But all I do is trade the fibs. That's all I do now. If I remember to look for some sort of confluence, like a fucking trend line break or, you know, a tan line break or like the top orb or the bottom orb or any of that shit or the VWAP, even better. But most of the time, I'm not even looking for that shit. I forget it's even there. Sometimes, exactly, just the tip. There's no exact signs to it. It's more of a feel thing. But I'm not cheating. When I draw my fibs, I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating to my bias. Yeah, NQ had a big day today. It almost hit 26,000 again. Fade me. Yeah, Doom Lord, I know. Believe me, look, all right, look. Here's another perfect example. Watch this. This is probably like a 707 rejection. Watch this. Let me make it bigger so we can see it. I'm going to get... There's so many opportunities. All day and night. All right, here's the last high. Here's the low. Oh, 786. I'm sorry, 786. Look at that. And it dropped from there. It actually retested it. It dropped here. It hit it here. Just missed hitting it here. And then it retested it. And look how much it dropped from there. 446 down to fucking 333. 113 ticks. That's a lot. Especially, I mean, that's like nothing right now. But that's enough. I mean, with a couple of, even with a few micros, that's fucking $300 something to make them holla. Yeah. Same here. 4 fucking times. 4 times I said, let's just play just a tip. It never ends in, it always starts as just a tip and it never ends as just a tip. I'll tell you that much. You see, guys? All right, I got to get rid of all these fucking fibs. There's too many on here. Oh, fuck. That's not the one. What? Dude, what? It's so fucking annoying. That's not the one I wanted to get. It's the second time that happened. Fucking well charts, man. Shit is frustrating. It's frustrating on this shit. Larger time frame. It's not even that large of a time frame. We're talking 7:53, basically. When did I get on? Like right after I got on. This is what we did since I got on, basically. This right here. This is all we've been doing. It's kind of annoying. Can I lock the shades? I don't. What do you mean, like the? Yeah, you can on here. I don't know. On TradingView, yeah. If I want to lock this, I could just hit the right here. I could lock it. I don't really care about that. If I fucking with TradingView and like even well charts, if I fucking move it by accident in the wrong place, I could just hit Control Z or Command Z and it'll undo it and put it back to where it was. But yeah, you can lock it if you want. I don't know if I can. Can I here? What is that? I don't even know what that is. I don't know if you could do it on. I don't even know if you could do it on well charts. I have no idea. Look, it looks like we're gonna fucking. I think. I could be wrong, but I think we're gonna finally push through the 707 and come up to the next level. Now, on the larger time frame, we're talking fucking 483, 573, 90 ticks. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Martman. What's NQ doing? What's NQ doing today so far? 866, 990, 130 tick range since the market opened. Oh, fuck. Can't go. Oh, those are okay. I trade with Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Apex. I don't know if you fuck with Apex. I do have. Yeah, these are the firms I trade with: Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Lucid, Bullinox. Although I haven't been able to trade with Bullinox since they fucking got rid of Project ShitX. But I'm trying to figure it out without having to fucking get another PC. I just don't want to. I don't want to pay for it. I don't want to buy a PC, and I don't want to fucking even be on using a PC. I hate the way they feel. They're just gross. I haven't traded with My Fund the Futures in a while, but they're still a good firm. They just piss me off. Romeo, who are you saying that to? AG? If you already have Lucid accounts and you only have one or two, you might as well go for 5. Sub-Zero. Motive Wave, how much you paying a month for that shit? K-Sun, I don't feel like talking about it. And I'm not a huge fan of their new plans. Free for now, until you got to pay for it. I was looking at Tradecopia. I might get Tradecopia. It's cheaper. I was trying to do it for free. I was trying to use Onyx Trader. Can't fucking connect. Then I tried hold on a second. I want to hide my screen. Then I was trying on this other shit. Where is it? Where is it? Where the fuck is it? JP told me about it. Tradingthings.io. So watch what happens when I. Oh shit, am I in? Oh shit, I'm in. I couldn't get in before. Oh, it's free. It's fucking free. I can record my trading. That's funny. I do that anyway. Yo, check this out. Where'd it go? Where is it? Where is it? Look. I could trade. I couldn't get in before. Chart. Yo. Yo. Oh shit, I can trade Bullinox now. This is tradingthings.io. I couldn't, it wasn't connecting before. I gotta let him know. Hold on. Yo. Hey. This is free. And free is for me. It's bad enough I got to pay $148 to activate a funded account. Yo, I gotta let the DCA gang. Yo. It worked, yo. All right. Anyway, if you guys aren't hanging out in the best fucking community on these prop from streets, that's something called tradingthings.io, because I like to I like trading with Bullinox, but I'm on a MacBook Pro. I trade on a Mac, and I refuse to install Parallels or VMware on my shit. I don't want to fuck it up. I don't want to corrupt it. It's happened to me before. I'm not risking it. I don't care how good this shit is now. And I was using Project ShitX on Bullinox, but Paytech's a fucking jerk off and took it away from everybody that he let use it to try to corner the market. So they went back to only they went back to only offering Rhythmic. I can't trade with Rhythmic on a Mac unless I find some sort of workaround, which I just did. I was going to use Tradecopia or whatever. I was looking for something. I didn't want to pay for it, though. I didn't want to pay for anything. Alpine told me about Onyx, which looked really cool, but I couldn't connect for whatever reason. It won't connect. And then a bunch of people told me about a bunch of different things, and one of them was this shit called tradingthings.io. And here I am on my Mac trading with a fucking Rhythmic Bullinox account. Now, I don't know if it works. What is this? Oh. I don't know if I could copy trade with it. I might have to do one at a time, which is fine. That's okay, I guess. There might be a way to do it. I might be able to copy trade. I have no idea. Auto sync. Yeah, I don't know. But I'm glad I found it. I'm glad I was told about it. JP told me about this one. Oh, look, here we go. This right here is the 707. Watch this. Ew. Oh, whatever. You know that fucking Project ShitX is using TradingView too? This is the same shit as Project SlipX. Look. 707. No, wait. That's the 786? What the fuck? When is this from? Oh, I know why. Because this is the more appropriate high. That's more appropriate. I don't know. I don't even know if this is the right place. I'm so fucking confused. It looks different. Anyway. Oh, look. The price is different. Is this real-time data? It says, oh no, where are we at? 48, 46? 48, yeah, it's the same. Here we are again at the 707. I mean, fuck. Can we break? Oh my God, that's the fourth touch. Look at that. This is crazy. It just can't get over this level. This is crazy. I mean, anyone who put their order there and went short, God bless you. I wouldn't have. Not on a fourth touch. That's the fourth touch in the same spot. I just feel like it's going to break through. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. Willie C. Yeah, it's pretty. They keep it real simple. Shades. Wild for saying what? It looks. They're running Trading View. It's fucking pulling Trading View, and it has all this other functionality. Project. Hey, listen, I don't mind the platform, but it's not bad, but it's not better than Tradeovate. I like the user interface, but I don't like how it had so many outages that they fucking still they did the make good. All these people got fucked out of their payouts. Penetration. Oh, that's my favorite. Cube, I don't know, man. I don't know anything about it. I literally just started fucking with it. I might end up rolling with Tradecopia anyway, because if I had my choice, I would put all of these together and trade them together. I just don't know how. There might be a way to do it on here. I haven't link orders. What does that mean? Chart trading? I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing here. Look, it's literally this is literally fucking this is what fucking Project SlipX does. It's the same fucking shit. Like they did pay someone for 20 minutes. It's so funny how people are so quick to defend that fucking shit. Like I give a fuck. Oh, yeah, it's pretty basic. Yo, Shade, bro. It's basic is good. I don't know. Can it have more stuff? Like Lucid's dashboard is fucking dope. You got the calendars, it updates in real time, which is amazing. You pass an eval and 5 minutes later, oh my God. Look, it did get a little higher. Look, it wicked higher than it. You pass an eval and like within 5 minutes you could activate them. But yeah, I mean, it's basic. It works. That's all I care about. I could go in there and I could find what I need to look for. Whatever I'm looking for, I could find it. It's not like a fucking maze. You know what I mean? I thought you were talking about a developer because I was talking about this shit, trading things and how it's very similar to fucking Project SlipX. Here we go. Finally. Now I'm fucking worried. I wish I went long. Now I'm worried that if it comes here, that it's gonna fucking not reject and just it's gonna keep going. I mean, I'm in long. I mean, I'm in long in this account. I don't know if you can see that. I'm in long with 20x leverage on PAX G, which is gold on crypto. And my take profit is at 5,000. This is my personal account. This is my personal account. This is not a prop firm account. It's Mexi. I just don't know if you could see the position I'm in. You could see my P&L though. I got in at my average entry was 46.42, 92 cents. I don't know what fair price means. I don't know what the fuck that means, but whatever. And I locked in gains. So I set my take profit. No matter what happens, I'm going to get $150. I want more, but my take profit's right here. Here's my take profit. Oh, when did I lower that? No, fuck that. I didn't hit save. I want 5,000. All right. It was at 5,000. I was fucking around because it hit 48.72 and I wanted to see what I was at. I didn't mean to hit confirm. But here's my trailing stop. 47.61. At 47.61, I'll get $150. This is my broker statement. So we're good. We are good. I'm hoping. I might raise this. I don't know. 5,000 seems appropriate. Although if I drew this from this, like I was drawing before, this low and the all-time high, those fib levels, the 618 is like 5,100 and change. So I don't know. Maybe I'm just being a little conservative, but I like 5,000. We'll see what happens. Either way, I have gains locked in no matter what. Anyway, there it is. You see, guys? And you could suck your balls. What's up, bot? Devin. Just sitting here waiting to get filled. Literally fucking twiddling my thumbs, waiting on this shit to fucking pop finally and hit this order. I have it a little bit higher than my 786, which I don't know. I might regret that, but whatever. I'll chase. I could trade Bolinas on NinjaTrader for free on a Mac. I looked at their NinjaTrader mobile. They make you pay for it. I already tried. I tried. I can't use NinjaTrader on a PC. I mean, on a Mac. I would love to trade on NinjaTrader. If I can't figure out how to copy trade on this shit, if I can't copy trade on this, I'm probably gonna. Oh, I know why. There's no 707 on this default fucking fib. That's why it's not here. This is the 707. The 786. Yeah, that's what's going on here. If I can't do copy trading on this, I'm probably gonna end up ponying up for fucking Trade Copia. But this is cool. I'm glad this is working. I just don't see it as the best use of my time trading one Bolinas account at a time, where I could trade all four. Like I have four. I'd rather trade all four of them together. Oh my God. This is being such a cuck. It better get up there. Please. Watch it. Watch me wait this entire stream. I'm on the stream for an hour and 24 minutes. Watch me wait this entire time only to fucking lose this trade if I get filled. Yeah, AG, bro. I'm with you, bro. I don't blame you. P shenanigan. Yeah, I've heard good things about TradeSync. I also don't want to pay fucking, $150 a month or $50 a month or whatever. Yeah, early stream. Monster Squad. Yeah, I don't know. I saw that too. I'm not sure if that's what it is, bro. I don't know what that means. I want to be able to I just don't know if it'll offer. I don't know if you could do it. I'm going to I'm gonna fuck around with it later. Oh shit! I just got filled. Look at me getting fucked. Look, if fuck. What did I say? I literally said, "Watch me get fucked." It fucking blew through that 786 like I wasn't even there. I waited all this time. Let's see if it pulls back. I don't know. I'm not letting this get out of hand. I'm only down 120 bucks. What a bounce. 313, 100 300 something ticks from here to here. 300 something ticks, basically the new hour. Yeah, TJP. That's what I literally was saying right before it fucking hit this shit. Watch it fucking. I wait this whole time to get filled here, and it fucking pops, blows through it. Oh, here we go. We might be. Oh shit. Keep going, please. Oh, the 9. Blow through that 9. Let's go. Come on, Granny. Come on, Granny. Oh, I should have taken that. You fuck. 573. More. Fuck. What the fuck kind of candle is this? 573. Yo, that was almost 100 ticks. That was 90 ticks. Keep going. Look at the way look at this shit. Keep going. Let me let go of this right here. More. Oh my God, flush it. I'm locking in gains. It's gonna. Oh, it better not take me out over here. Yeah. There you go. TJP, are you still in, or did you wuss out? It's probably gonna come up to this 9, take me out, and then drop more. I'm okay with it though. Watch me get taken out here. What'd I get on that trade? That was crazy. Look at that. 453, 647. 200 ticks. Look at this candle. This one red candle went from 630 to 454. Almost 200 ticks. Look, I think it's going to go lower. Now I got to raise. You know what I got to do? Where's my high? I'm expanding my fib. You see me what I'm doing here? This other fib I have down here, I expanded it to the high. Now I'm gonna move my orders. Imagine this comes all the way down. Look, it went lower. Dude, this fucking happens all the time. Now, this is an interesting spot here too. This low and this high. Already bouncing off the 618. I'll fucking put an order there. I got taken out like right around here. So it went down 507. It went down another 70 ticks. TJP, what size were you trading with? Yeah, Big Mike. I'm one of the stops that always gets taken out, even on sim funding. You have a buy for the retest? Oh, the retest of the 786, which is right here. That's a buy. You mean to go back short or to go long? Oh, you're talking down here. Never mind. My bad. I know what you mean. 4 micros, I mean, that was a little scary. 573, it went up to fucking 647. So you were down like 250 bucks, I would say, give or take, maybe more. 300 bucks? Yeah, you were down about 300 at right here. He said, bye. He was like, well, bye. Gold said, bye, Felicia. 20 micros long on NQ. What's this fucking thing doing? Let's see if we get the old retest. Now, do I want to be done for the day with this? I might have to. No, 157. I want more than that. This is where I get into trouble. I do want more. What up, Lee? Oh, that's not bad, bro. Yeah, so you had, yeah. So you got in 2, and then you got in another 2 after it continued up. Yeah, $200 is nothing, bro. Degree does kill, but this isn't the appropriate amount. Like, look, there's the 786. Look at that retest. Look at that. Is it gonna fucking look? I don't know. So, look, it retested it like right on it. Look at that. It just dropped 40 something ticks. I wish I put the order in. 566. It dropped 66 ticks. I mean, I don't know if it has any more in the tank, but it was a nice little. See, with a mini, it's just this shit's moving around too much to trade with minis for me personally. I don't know. I mean, that would have been a nice little hit there. I fucking hate micros, but in this environment, like it doesn't. It's just very It's too. For me personally, it's just too sketchy to trade minis, and I'm a minis guy. Yeah, let's look at this shit holding. Look at that. What a fucking retest. So we fucking overshot the 786, came down, and then came back up and retested it, and now we're dropping again. We're gonna go lower. It already dropped how many ticks? Almost 100. There it is, 100 tick drop. 100 ticks off the 786 retest. You see, guys? Now, I'm worried that this is going to blow right through this fucking shit. Hey, Lee, all that matters is that it works for you. You know what I'm saying? That's the best part about this trading shit. As long as you see what you see and you could execute on it and you get paid and you could grow accounts and shit, that's all that fucking matters. Oh my God, it just missed it. Look at that rejection though. Look. 567. It went down 166 ticks from that 786 retest. The 786 is right here on the larger time frame. Yeah, TJP. Yeah, I'm with you, bro. It's annoying, but the spreads are much wider on minis right now. Everything is fucked with minis. Imagine being caught in the wrong direction, even on this little fucking this bullshit candle here that has a wick above and below it, the body. Damn, that shit just look. It bounced off the 707. It just missed me by 14 ticks. My order was down here. Fucking piece of shit. Mikey. How's that Lucid account? You still got it? The other issue is I was only in with 2. I wish I was in with 4. This is just the adjustment I'm trying to make trading fucking micros. It's fucking awful. Fucking kill me. Does it retest it again? I don't know. But look, amazing. It dropped 165 ticks off that retest. Vinny Jalapeno. Are you? I love it. You're doing a whip session. Ha, Lee. Yeah, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte, chat. Look at that. I bet it drops lower now. I'm worried about this one. Now I'm worried. If this fucking drops, it's gonna fucking blow through this. Fuck it, let's just leave it there. Even this second touch, the second retest, it dropped from 564, 86 ticks. I'm so fucking pissed. I wanted this retest, and I fucking pussied out, and then it dropped 166 ticks. I don't know if it's going to drop now again. I don't know what the fuck gold wants to do. You did? All right, cool, man. Let me take a little peek. Yo, dude, I said this to you, bro. It looks amazing, bro. I asked you yesterday. I wasn't even trying to be a dick. I was like, you don't need to grow it that much. Why are you growing it this much when all you need is $150 now? Because you had what you did. I just got filled. When did I don't did you hear that? I forgot about that. It scared the shit out of me. Oh my God. Get the fuck down there. It was me getting filled. It was me getting filled on these accounts here. Come on, keep going. Give me more. Don't be a cuck over here. Yeah. Yo, Mikey, but that's what I'm saying. I'm serious. You only need 5 days of $150 or more. You're at 15,000. You don't need to. Those extra days aren't going to do shit for you. I don't even think Luce is going to give you that money if you were to get pushed to live eventually. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's the only reason why I'm saying that. I think it's great. That type of run up would be much more appropriate on like a take profit trader account. Actually, they would have pushed you live already with that much of a bounce if you're not taking payouts, but you probably would have been taking payouts. Come on, baby, go down lower. It's going to take me out here. It's going to take me out here and then drop lower. I know it, but I'm okay with this. Especially since I forgot I put the order in. Please go lower, though. That'd be cool. Be cool. Do something cool. Do something cool. Go lower. Oh my God. It's gonna go lower, you fuck. Bundy. Oh man. Elevated life, what up? I knew it was gonna go. Dude, this happens to me all the time. Geo Ming. 505. Oh my God. It just dropped another. I'd be up like $280. This is why I hate fucking micros. This is why I hate micros. All I got out of that was $153. It's fucking dog shit. Kill me. Bro, look how much lower it dropped. Oh my God, kill me. It's down 70 ticks. Lee. Yo. Lee, did I hit? Yeah, I blew through 40K. I did 44K. Yo, Bundy. Patrick. I know, bro. I'm still making the adjustment. I'm still making the adjustment. I forgot I even did that. Oh my God. Dude, this shit happens to me all the fucking time. Look, it's down 505. I'd have another $200. Yeah, I did 44,665 in January, 34,405 in December, 79K plus. It was like 79,000. Uh-oh. $786, baby. Keep pushing, please. Oh, you fuck. Fuck me. Go higher. There we go. I feel like my order was in the same spot. Whatever. I think it's going to go higher, but whatever. All right, now I'm done with this account. I guess. This is on, first of all, I don't need to get a ton on this account. This account already got a payout. So I don't need to fucking have like some massive day because of the consistency rule. It resets between payouts with Apex. So I'm going to show you in a second, but I got to pay attention here. Oh, I just missed getting filled by a fucking, how many ticks was that? Are you serious? Uh-oh. Fuck. Look how much lower. I should have just stayed in the short. 505, 150 more ticks. Now I'm giving back all my gains, bro. Oh my God. Oh God, it's fucking hilarious. Hey, chat. Oh man. Oh yo. Oh my God. I'm locking this shit in. Yeah, baby. Lock it in, baby. Lock me in. I'm taking it. Give it to me. Oh, keep going, Granny. Keep going. Hey, I'll take it. Listen, I don't need to grow this that much. I can't have mass. All right, I'm done. I'm done with these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look at it go. Yo, every fucking time. Yo. You got iffy too? Oh, damn. What is all this shit? SLX. What is this shit? It's just the name of the account. It looks like a fucking STD. Fistlicks. You ever have the Fistlicks, guys? Hey, Mikey. Bro. I remember, man. Wow, that shit just kept going. You see, guys? I'm so glad I got $100 out of that. But whatever, we're good. I don't need to trade these anymore. I don't need to grow them anymore today. I still need another, how many more days? One more $50 day, I think. One more $50 day and 2 flip days. Mikey, I remember, bro. I remember when you first moved to New York and you were struggling a little bit with your trading. I don't forget. Unless I'm thinking of someone else, but I'm almost 100% sure it was you. Hit that when my wife walks in. I know. When she comes in here to give me dirty looks because I'm still on. And it's late. Hey, what up, Dave? Yeah, gold is great. TJP, great job. Yoshi. Oh, look what this is. Look. You see, guys? $707. P. Oh my God. Big Mike. How do you get those fibs on Tradeovate? You click here, drawing tools. You see the menu on the left-hand side that goes up and down. Click drawing tools and then hit Fibonacci retracements. The only difference is it's opposite. How you draw it is opposite of how you would draw it on TradingView. So if you want to draw a fib for a reversal, you got to start from the bottom and then pull it up. You got to click it to start it, and then you got to click it again to end it. And then to make it bigger or smaller, you go to the top of the reversal fib. You grab that see those little arrows pointing up and down and left and right. You take that and you could expand it or contract it or whatever. Oh, whoops. I just fucked it up. But and if you're gonna do it for a bounce, for a long, you draw it from the top down. From the top down. From a high to a low. Although that's not really the right spot. That's not the right spot. So I was looking for a bounce here, like before. Here's the one I had before that I got filled on. Where was it? Was it here? Here's the high. Here's the low. I think I had this low. This right here. And we got filled at the 786. For how much of a bounce was that? 349, almost 200 ticks. NQ hit 26K. Yeah, Lee, the movement's pretty much the same. They're almost identical. It's not a stupid question, though. The only stupid question is the one you don't ask. They might fluctuate a little bit, but they're pretty much identical. Like the spreads right now. Look at the spreads. 3 ticks. 4 ticks. This is the biggest issue right now with minis. If I go to minis, 14 ticks. One mini, you get in the position there, you're down $140 instantly. And then these candles are fucking moving a lot. You could be down $400 in like a blink of an eye right now with a mini. And that's what I like to trade. I'm annoyed. But whatever. It is what it is. You have to make the adjustments. I'm not trying to blow accounts because I'm going to be fucking a stubborn prick. But anyway. We got 6 accounts traded. We got 8 accounts traded. Just 12 more. How hard can it be just with Apex? How hard can it be? This is still fucking shit price action, though. I don't know. It's just a lot of cuck. Yeah, Mikey. I remember, bro. How far behind are you? You're like on a 5-minute delay. Yo, put the speed up to like 2x or 1.5x so you can catch up. GMAT. Oh yeah, it's right there. The I don't know, the wicks might be a little different. I don't know. You were living in Valley Stream? Bro, Valley Stream's pretty big, but I was on South Terrace Place. That's where I grew up. I was on the street that went straight into that Green Acres Mall. Buy the bid, sell the ask. Willie C. I don't even know how to do that, bro. I don't even know how to do that. Isn't that crazy? I don't know how to do half the shit all you guys know how to do. Doesn't seem to matter though, right? That's the best part about this shit. Some of you guys forgot more shit than I've learned about trading with or using this type of software, and it hasn't mattered. Oh, you're on Ninja? You might be able to do it easier on Ninja, but there's other ways I could change. I could do that. Like I could. That's not it. What was I looking for? There's something else on here that you could do. Oh yeah, I could do all this type of shit. I don't know, ATMs or whatever. I don't fuck with this shit. There might be some other things I could do here. Nah. Oh yeah. I forgot about that. I've done. You know what's funny? I've done this before by accident, and I don't know. I was like, what the? I was like panicking. Buy bid, sell ask. That's interesting. But this is like a market. This is like a market order though. I can't place an order. I can't do that here. Like if I set my order here, right? Let's say I set a sell here. I can't buy at the bid and sell at the ask. Not unless I do it. I don't know. Can I? I don't like marketing in with, especially with gold, the way these candles are moving. Even these little bullshit candles, 447. This is like, look, this little bullshit cuck zone right here is fucking 70 something ticks. It's almost 80 ticks. Yeah, no, I'm with you on that. Oh shit, Mud, what up? I'm with you on that, but like marketing, you still got to market in. I don't know. I don't trust this shit. I just put my orders where I want to get filled, and I just leave it like that. Yeah, I don't know. If I just place an order like this, I'm pretty sure it's not going to do that. I'm pretty sure it's going to be, if I were to get filled on a mini with this, I would be down the spread. Yeah, I'm not touching shit. I'm not touching shit, but I do like the advantage you get doing that. I've done it before, and I'm like, what the fuck happened? What did I just do? Willie C, yeah. I could probably change it. Like if I set the order, let's put it up here. Hopefully it doesn't come here. Right? I could probably modify the order, right? Order type limit. I don't know. You know what's crazy? Before I knew you could just place an order right here, I used to manually fucking do it. I used to manually place orders. I'm not even joking. I don't even know how I did it. I think I was using the DOM. Like, I have no idea. In the beginning, I was even more clueless than I am now. Yeah, the spreads are wide. Yeah, Big Mike, exactly. There's always that risk. GMAT. Yeah, bro, GMAT, that happens enough to me, and when I'm just putting regular fucking orders in, where I miss getting filled by a tick or two. Yeah. No, I mean Willie C has it. He's dialed in with that shit, so he makes it work for him. You know, that's the best part about this whole fucking thing. people are saying like there's pros and cons of all of it, but he makes it work for him, and that's all that matters to him, right? It doesn't really matter what any of us say. He knows it works for him. That's all that fucking matters. Yeah, the ATR, yeah. The average true range. Honestly, like I just have like on this trade of 8, which is where I trade more than anything. I got the VWAP with the upper and the lower VWAP bands, and I have the 5-minute 21, which I barely even pay attention to, and the 34s, the 1-minute 34s. I don't even fucking pay attention to that shit. I don't give a fuck. And then on TradingView, I got the VWAP. I got other shit, but I don't pay attention. I got some pivot points. I got the high previous days, high and low, and the top and bottom orbs. Where is the orb anyway? The orb's way down here. Like the orb, this is what happened. Like if you're an orb trader, this is like I used to always just trade. Like that wasn't the only thing I did, but I did a lot of it. If you're an orb trader, what are you gonna do? What if it never comes back down to the orb? You're gonna wait for New York to open, and then hopefully you could trade that orb, the New York open orb. Does that even really apply to gold? You know what I'm saying? I just like the fibs because there's just opportunities all fucking day and night. How many times did you see bounces and fucking rejections? Oh, new hour. Let me just make sure I don't have any open orders on this shit because I was fucking dicking around. Just making sure. All right. Josh, what up? You like that tan line, right? Dude, Patrick, you don't even know. You don't even know what my charts used to look like, bro. I used to have fucking so many more moving averages on here. All I really have, I have the VWAP. I do watch the VWAP, especially the upper and the lower the VWAP bands, but only when it coincides with a fib level that I look for. That's all I give a fuck about are the fibs, but I don't know. I don't even know if I need these anymore. I had so many more. I had the 9, I had the 200, I had the 300, I had EMAs and SMAs on there. Yeah, the orb is good when we're trading in the orb. Big Mike, yeah. Uh-oh. Blackout News Network is getting fucked around with by guess what? Guess who? The NQ. I mean, you went in long around here, didn't you? In the 60s? Yeah, this is the NQ for you. It doesn't want to get to 26,000. I fucking hate the NQ. It might eventually, but man, fuck the NQ. Gold is the way. Oh yeah, our brains, none of our brains operate, they're all different. So just because I see the fibs the way I see it, I could show someone, and I do. Like literally every time I stream, I show my fibs. Like I'm not hiding it. I draw it, I break it down, I explain it. Here's what I'm looking at. Here's what I'm gonna do. Look, you see guys, you see what happened there, blah, blah, blah. I'm always talking about them. But people always ask me, hey, can you show me your fibs? Sometimes the same people. It's just because we all see the charts differently. You know? No matter how many times I explain how I trade the fibs, it doesn't mean someone else will be able to go and do it exactly that way. But my hope is that they understand it and they could use it in a way that works for them. That's my hope. You know what I mean? Because I know we all see the shit differently. You should have went to... I know that feeling. Yeah. No, I've heard of it, Calico. I don't mind drawing mine. I don't mind drawing them. I draw them all day. I can tell you one thing, Jay for president. I can tell you one thing. Drawing them as many times as I have has definitely helped me see them better. At this point, I could see them without even drawing them. But, I don't mind drawing them. I like drawing them. The more I draw them, the more I see them. The more I see them, the more I could fucking trade them and execute on them. Yeah, I mean, I no, at this point, I mean, that's why you don't see that many people fucking coming on here and talking shit to me. What are they going to say? It took you long enough. Now they're at the point where they can't say shit about my trading. All they could do is talk about my appearance. Your teeth are crooked. Look at your hairline. Like, I give a fuck. I still have a fucking dime piece wife. She gave me 4 beautiful kids. Like, I give a fuck. It's the funniest thing. All the fucking haters scatter like roaches. They're just hoping that I fucking go into some sort of rut. And I'm like, and I struggle or something so they could fucking come and kick me when I'm down, because that's what they do. But they could all eat a dick. They need to go find someone else to fucking troll. Yeah, Lee, exactly. That's what they're great for. They're great for so many things. You could literally use them to get confirmation with the other shit you look at. It's just another thing that you could use to help you. Patrick, thank you. And like, it's not like I was never getting payouts before I went on this crazy run. It's just that I just didn't like the way I was trading, even when I was doing it. And I was trading the NQ, and I liked the fibs. I used the fibs, but I didn't exclusively use the fibs, and I didn't use them like I do now. Yash. Whatever. It's because I put myself out there, and I talk smack back. I play the game. I don't like when people talk shit to me. I don't fucking like being talked to a certain way by anybody. I don't give a fuck where you are or who you are. So, I'm combative in that regard. I don't take shit. So that, it invites more people to be assholes. But I need more haters. I need more people to hate on me. What are they going to say now? You're getting too many payouts from too many firms. Oh yeah, I don't give a fuck. PEW had the CEO of Lucid on his show. Hey, good for the CEO of Lucid. Probably made a ton of fucking sales. Yeah, that's exactly. I mean, I've went at 2, not 1, but 2 of my best friend's parents because I didn't like the way they were treating them. One time I was literally all up in someone's stepfather's face, like ready to fucking start throwing hands. But I knew it wouldn't have been good. I don't know. Maybe I'm because I'm an asshole. I'm fucking crazy. Willie C, yeah. Yep. The flex account's the best one, as far as I'm concerned. Maybe, Lee. I don't know. Because I take what people say, I take it personal, and I make it a challenge. I use it as motivation. So when I do the opposite of what they said would happen, I like to rub it in their faces. Just like when we were having that, the trade day cup that was going on, and like I was blowing accounts left and right because I don't fucking trade the 150s, and I was doing what everybody else was doing because I wasn't paying for them. I was slamming them, and like people were talking shit about, oh, look at all these influencers, so-called good traders, all fucking sucking. I took it personal. So what did I do? I fucking ran up 3 of my own fucking trade day accounts and got pushed to live and took like $9,000 worth of payouts that month from trade day alone. I don't know. I'm weird like that. I see it as a challenge. Geo, they're not bad. They're not bad. It's just to give people an option to people that want to get paid faster. I don't know. It's basically it was supposed to replace the black accounts. Anytime, so a lot of times these firms will come out with a new account to replace another account. It's not because they want to make it better. It's because they want to keep more of the money. They're trying to get people. You saw, like, and I like Lucid. I think Lucid is fucking great. But I broke down. I don't know what we're doing here. I'm going to break down. Hold on a sec. 538. Let me just draw a happy little Fibonacci here. And I gotta turn off the fucking group. Don't worry, we'll all know if I get filled, right? We're all gonna know. All right, I want to show you an example. And I love Lucid. I fucking love Lucid. I highly recommend anybody who does not trade with Lucid to go trade with Lucid. I trade with them. I'm not just saying to go get a Lucid account, because if you put in the best fucking code 0DayJ, you could get 40% off as many as 5 times. And if you've never had an account with them, you could get 50% off your first account. And then after you use your 40% off uses, you still get 30% off. And this is for any type of eval, any size. The best code 0DayJ. My link's in the description below. It's probably in the chat too somewhere. Is it? Is my shit working? Yeah, it's working. All right, cool. So check this out. I want to show you guys an example. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. So they came out with these, was it black? Let's do payouts. Black. All right. So there's a 40% consistency. 40% consistency rule on your funded account. 40% shit, I just got filled. Yo, this shit just shot up there. Uh-oh. I kind of didn't want that to happen. I was hoping it would reject, but it must want to go higher. That shit's fucking hilarious. We'll talk about it in a second. I'm in the middle of something right now. I'm in a trade right now. Yeah, Lee, Take Profit Trade is great. I like them the most. The only thing I don't like about them is that the fucking fundeds are intraday. Trade day is pretty much the same thing, and you could choose if you want intraday, if you want end of day, you could choose it. You have your choice. Yash, I got filled in an order. That was me getting filled. I'm gonna put my stop here. I'm not trying to fucking lose a ton of money on this account. This account I just got paid a max payout on. I want to do it again. I gotta log into my Apex account to show you guys something too, but in the meantime, let's see if this fucking trade works in my favor. I don't know if it will. Nope, I'm gonna get stopped out. That's annoying. See, I feel like it wants to go higher. I feel like it wants to like test a high a day. I think this was, I don't know. I'm going to get stopped out. Oh, I can't fucking see where the fuck this is. It's not the 786 is what, yeah, see, that's the problem. All right. Is it going to retest this level that it hit and rejected off of, or is it going to push higher? I almost got stopped out. I moved it out of the way because I wasn't sure if the 786 was there. It's going to go higher. Yeah, fuck me. Oh, the only fuck up I did all day. It's not even that bad. What about, look at this though. Fuck, man. It's going to make, it wants to make new highs. It wants to push for 4,900. Look at this candle. This candle's 80 something ticks. This fucking bounce right here, 396, 300 plus ticks. Oh, I just marketed in. Oh my God. I'm going to leave it here. I don't know. You know what? It's probably going to come back up here. That's fine. Oh, shit. Oh, go down. I'm going to get taken out. Oh. Dude, look at the way this shit's moving around. What the fuck? Just stop and take me out already. I got in. Is that where I got in? I feel like I got in. Where did I get 676? I lost money. I lost money that way too. I lost $229. Fuck me. Yeah. Now I'm not forcing anything there. That sucks. I'm going out. I should have just left it. I fucking put the order in, whatever. I had a chance to get out with only like $100 loss. It's not even that bad. The issue is I'm trading with fucking micros. I got to adjust my size. Anyway, so check this out. Here we go. So Lucid Black. This is what I wanted to talk about. They didn't put this account out there because they wanted to help us get paid faster. But watch. You got to hit, let's say on a 50K, you got to get to 3,000. They got to get to 3,000, right? 3,000 will get you 3,000. What does 3,000 get? It's so confusing. 3,000 gets you 1,500. Minimum payout request is 500. But you have to get to 3,000 no matter what. And then if you want to push for an extra $1,500 to make it an even 3,000, instead of taking the 1,500, you could push to 5,000 and you could take out 3,000. They're hoping that you'd go for they're hoping that you want to do that. They want you to do this because they know that there's a higher chance of you fucking up and fucking yourself out of getting any money. That's how this shit works. And there's nothing wrong with Lucid, but they're in the business of making money on people blowing accounts. That's a big part of it. I guarantee you there's a very small percentage of people that trade live with them. That's what I was trying to talk about before. It doesn't make them bad people. It's the business model. Anyway. I don't think they make it. I don't know. I think you got to get to 5,000. Are you talking to TP Market? Are you talking about the Lucid Black? I don't even know. I know this on a Lucid. Oh, Top Frag. What up, man? On a Lucid Flex, if you want to get 2,000 in a payout, you just need to grow it to 4,000. 4,000 gets you 2,000. It's fucking clear as day. It's plain and simple. It's 50% of your fucking balance. That's what you could request. The least amount you could request is 500, which means you got to grow these accounts, these flex accounts, to a minimum of 1,000. The 150K, you're gonna have to grow a little bit more because it has 5 days of $250 or more. The flex is just so brain dead simple. Do I want to fuck with this here? I don't know. High a day. It just tried to test a high a day, and it so far rejected. I mean, it just went down 50 ticks. That little bit is 50 ticks, but I think it's going to go higher. Let's see if I can find. They don't have it. They don't have fa. And you can't put a custom sound in there. You can't put a custom sound in there. Well, that's fucking. Holy shit. Look, it made a new high. You see, guys, I need to look at the larger time frames here. You got to go to the next high. Is this an appropriate spot? Maybe. Oh, look at that shit. Like, look. This high right here. Well, that's not the right spot on the 4 hour. If I go to the 15, interesting. It just dropped 861 to 692. 170 ticks. But it bounced here. Look at this fucking bounce. 371. It bounced almost 500 ticks. All right, be good, TJP. Top frag, yeah. As long as all the other stuff is in place. Are you over the buffer? Are you? Is the account bigger than 2,600? It has to be at least 2,600. No 30% consistency rule violation. You should be good. 5 days of at least $50 or more. You could push over the buffer in 5 days and flip the rest of the way. You know what's good about this? I'm still in this fucking position. Oh shit, I was up $300. I might move my stop up. What are we at? 48.75. I'm moving my trailing stop on this fucking crypto position. 48.15. 48.10. 48.05. I want like an even $200. 4,800. 48.01. 48.02. There we go. So no matter what, I'm going to make $200 on this trade I've been in. If this starts getting closer to like 5,000, I'm probably going to move it to, actually, you know what's interesting though? I'm probably going to move it to like 48.50. This is a 786 right here. Interesting. Anyway. You think you took too many trades? I've seen worse. Hey, man. Am I gonna fucking chase this? I'm scared, man. I have a feeling it's gonna drop. Let me get rid of all of these. You see, I only lost $229. Like I didn't let the shit get out of hand. That's like a big part of this too. That's a big part of my growth, not letting the shit get fucking out of control. 229 is nothing. I could get that back in a trade. I could get that and then some in a trade. In the right trade. Oh shit. That's why I didn't want to chase it. I think it's going to go higher. Fucking crazy. Oh, across 10 accounts? That's nothing, bro. That's like an average of 7 trades per account. Yeah, Lee. Exactly. I'm on the same page as Lee. That ain't shit, bro. You're good. And what Lee said also is like, if you're green, then that's all that matters. 49.76, I hope so. I got, if I have my fib at this high, this is probably a really good spot. I fucking hate. I don't know why I did that. Actually, I do know why. Look at this shit about to shoot up higher. Here's yesterday's. Look at this right here. Here's yesterday's high a day, which was Asia's high. It happened during Asia. Here's the high a day from yesterday. 49.05 or whatever. How come I don't use the magnet? I don't know. I didn't even know I could do something with the magnet. What does this do? I don't even know what this shit is. I never used the magnet once on TradingView, and I've been using TradingView for like fucking 6 years. We're approaching a fucking pivot point right here, just below 4,900 on the 15 at least, and the hourly. Weak magnet. I don't know. I don't get it. I'll fuck around with it some other time. I don't. Now move my fib range. Yeah, I don't know. The price will stick to your nearest high-low price level with that magnet. Oh, I get it. I guess, kind of, sort of. Oh, fuck. Oh, I know what you mean. It'll fucking like stick to it. It'll find it. So I don't have to try to be so precise. That's what you guys mean? Is that what you guys are talking about? Yo, Frank, I don't know, man. If it was like a split second, you'll probably be okay. If not, they might make you trade longer. Yeah, I know what you guys are talking about now. Thank you. I want to actually get rid of all of this shit. Oh, yeah, much better. So now I'm going to fucking... now I'm going to draw one. Whoops, wrong way. I guess it worked. I don't know. No, they don't wipe profits. Unless it was like blatant and you just, you abused it. I don't know. I've seen people lose their profits because of it. Oh, now I see what the Magna's doing. It might not happen though. You don't know. You won't know until it happens. Show it wants 4,900 so bad. Anyway, it's getting late. It's getting late. As much as I want to hang out all fucking night, I gotta go. So, if you guys aren't in the best community on these prop firm streets, I'll be hanging out in there later. I'll be hanging out in there all night probably. It's right here. Here's the link to it. It's the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Tony Gold. Whoops, is that the right link? Yeah, that's the right link. All right, cool. There's the link for the Discord, the best community, the DGen fam, the DCA gang. If you got to grab accounts with Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, My Fund the Futures, Bull and Ox, or Trade Day, use the best code 0DayJ if you want to support the channel. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out. We did pretty good. I just fucked this account up, but this is nothing. I'll be able to come back from that. I'm going to do it off stream. Okay? I'll see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your night. I'll be on for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. All right? Hopefully I'll see some of you guys there or all of you guys there. If not, I'll see you next time. Enjoy the rest of your night.